Hi everyone, this is Miss Joelle for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today is going to be focused on how to record directly in Canvas. So whether that be a screencast recording or a video recording of yourself talking to your students. So you'll start on your dashboard and go into the course that you'd like to record in. You can record in one course and then put it in other courses as well. You're going to come down to the studio section. And what you're going to notice is these are recordings that I have already done. So you can see that they are saved here, and that's how you're going to use them and access them during when creating assignments. So I'll show you that in a minute. So in order to record, I'm going to hit the record button up here. I do suggest doing only screen capture because the webcam capture is kind of redundant, and I'll show you why in a second. So you're going to click screen capture, click to open the screen record launcher, and you're going to see mine pop up. Mine is already selected on webcam. Yours will probably default to screen. So it'll look like this. So you'll see your little like measurement thing here, so you can put it as big or as small as you want to record the screen or the part of the screen that you want to record. If you want the webcam option, you can click that and it will only be you, just like this. You won't see any of my screen. If you want both, you can see that my screen here and you'll see me and my webcam in the corner. So you can pick which one of those that you would like. Just a tip for your screen default, it'll be defaulted on screen. When you flip over to webcam, it'll probably be grayed out at the beginning, and you have to come here to the drop down menu and select the webcam. I don't know why it kind of defaults that way. So okay, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to start my recording, and I think I'll just do a webcam. So I'm going to record. It's going to count me down. And I'm going to say something like, "Hi students, welcome. I hope that you all have had a beautiful week and enjoy the rest of your day." You can pause it and keep going to keep recording. So like if I want to add more, I could add more right here and it'll pick up right where I left off. When I'm done, I'm going to hit the done button. And this is where, what a lovely shot of me. This is where you can give it a title. So welcome. I can give it a description. I can even edit it here. So if I wanted to edit, I could make different adjustments and different cuts to different parts of the video. So you can kind of play around with that. I'm going to go back to my recordings. Oops. Okay, so here's the one that I was working on. And how do I, oh, here we go. So now I'm going to click to upload. Once it is uploaded, you're going to notice that it now pops up in here under my welcome tab, right, in my studio. So what I'm going to do now is if I want to create an assignment and I want to put that video in it, or even I think you can do it in an announcement too. So let's do an announcement. So I want this to be welcome because I'm going to put my welcome video. Right here, you'll see this studio option. And when you click studio, you're going to see the choices of the different things that you've recorded in studio. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to embed. And now that will be embedded in my announcement. So as soon as I save it, you will see that my announcement is now a video announcement. So when students come in, they're going to see my welcome announcement and they can watch my embedded video. So hopefully that was helpful. Like I said, that is now saved in your studio. So if I wanted to go to one of my other courses, and I wanted to create an assignment, I would be able to do that and use those same clips from my studio in there as well. So I hope that was helpful. Please reach out if you need any additional help. Have a good week.